Hi family, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video and please come back and watch many more of my videos to come. Beautiful ones, how you guys doing out there? I hope you had a fantastic Thanksgiving. I just got home from church and I have to take time out to thank this fabulous lady. Her name is Ruth. She is over at Home Craft and Things. Go over there and check her out. Okay, she does a lot of knitting, crocheting, and crafts. Okay, and I won something special on her channel. I was so happy when I won, and I was even more ecstatic when it came in the mail. You would have thought it was Christmas Day. Okay, what was it? It was items from Total Dazzle. Everybody knows about Total Dazzle and their beautiful jewelry. And when I won this gift, oh my God. Thank you, Ruth. Thank you. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay. Put it to the side. I won the gift card, and what I did was just went online and picked out what I wanted. So I picked out a bag. Let me get it open. I picked out gold and silver items, okay? Woo! I love bling, bling, bling. Bling, bling, bling. I know it's in a package, you guys. Not I'm gonna open up one. So that you can get a better look at them. Okay family, I also want to mention that all the brooches come in this beautiful gray bag, and inside the bag is, let me show you guys, a free gift, a tiara brooch. Okay. They are a part of a project called the Princess Project. Thank you for your order. Please accept this tiara brooch as a token of our appreciation for your business. But there is something you should know. When you purchase from Total Dazzle, you're also helping to support the incredible work of the Princess Project. This amazing organization provides free prom dresses and accessories to teens who couldn't otherwise afford it. With your help, we have been able to donate thousands of brooches to this worthy cause. How awesome! The Princess Project, and they give you a little crown for free. So again, thank you, Miss Ruth, and thank you, Total Dazzle. Okay, I'm getting ready to make a bridesmaid bouquet, and the supplies you would need are okay, I made this little flower arrangement in a previous tutorial. I will leave the link down below if you want to go watch it. So I'm going to use this one, okay? I just took the flowers and glued it onto the foam ball. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue the foam ball onto this little stick. And I noticed that I would have to cut the middle part just to stick this through there. So what I decided I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this part off, okay, and just glue it right on here. Okay, I'm gonna glue it right on here. Now you could do it like this and glue flowers around this foam ball. You can just glue the flowers around here. It'll be a lot smaller, or you can take this part off and just glue it onto something bigger. Okay. I'm gonna take some diamond wrap. Okay, I'm gonna cut the diamond wrap out. I'm gonna measure it first, cut it out, and then I will glue it to the handle of this bouquet.